What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be unboxing the Asus G75. Got this laptop. The specs are, oh wait, it's the Asus G75vx. It's the newer version of the VW. It has the GeForce GTX 670 MX. So, okay, don't get this confused. The GTX 670 is still Fermi, but the GTX 670 MX is Kepler. So it's based on the new GPU architecture. Anyways, how am I gonna do this? I got this for around 1,600 actually, plus tax. And as you can see, the seal's still there, so I'm gonna break it right now. Oh crap, this could break it. Okay, this is a crappy pair of scissors. There we go. Should do the job. Okay, got it. Which way is it gonna open? Let's see. Anyways, it's like 90 degrees right now. It's all hot and crap. Go. There's the laptop. Let's look at the accessories. That's the battery pack. Weighs, I don't know, a decent amount. Let's see what's in here. Cables. Power cable. Extra fan grills. I thought they were going to give you 2 extra fan grills. Looks like there's only 1 in here. Not a big deal to me. Now the huge ass power brick. Guys, I just woke up and... oh crap. Not smaller than I actually expected, guys. Because the one at Fry's was huge. So I think they actually decreased the size on the power brick between the G75 VW and the VX. Oh yeah, and the specs are 360. Okay, crap, I forgot the specs. See, it's somewhere around here. I don't know if you can see this here. I'll read it to you. It has okay, I can't read it, but it's 8 gigs of RAM. It has a 1 terabyte 5400 RPM hard drive. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna throw in the SSD, and I ordered a Scorpio Black off of Amazon. So when that comes, I'm gonna replace it with that 7200 RPM Scorpio Black. So yeah. Ooh. Okay. Anyways, power brick. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic right now, so you don't need to see the actual power brick, but pretty nice stuff. Yeah. Okay, this thing is heavy. Now I just realized. Holy crap. Weighs at least like freaking 8 pounds or something. Give me a second, guys. Box. Put the rest back in there. And close the box up so I can put the laptop on top of it. Okay. There it is. Oh wait, my bad. There we go. There it is. The beauty. And we're still gonna look at this first though. So it comes with 4 extra screws. I don't know what's it for. Quick start guide. Probably not gonna need it. What's this? have no idea. It's a mailing thing. Oh, warranty card. Wait, do I have to register it? Oh, I think I... What? Oh, well, doesn't matter. User guide. Yada yada yada. Oh yeah, it comes with 2-year... 1 year accidental coverage and 2 years of parts and labor. So if anything does break, like on its own, in those years, I'm gonna be fine. This is extremely sturdy stuff. So there's some flex on the screen, but that's because I'm pressing down. Like compare my hand. I don't have the biggest hands, but the actual covering is made out of this rubber thing, so it does attract a little bit fingerprints, but it goes away right afterwards. Compare my hand to that. I would say medium-sized hands. I don't have tiny hands, but it dwarfs my freaking hand. Okay, now, oh yeah, I/O ports. 2 USB 3.0s, a Thunderbolt, what is this? Ethernet cable. Oh, it's full size too, and VGA, power in. Other side, SD card. That's a dummy in there. Audio audio out, mic in. USB 2.0s. 3.0. Hard drive. So it gives you 4 USB 3.0s, which is pretty nice. One of them is the supercharged thing. The vents in the back look sick. This is a 17.3-inch laptop, so it's not tiny at all. Trust me, it's one of the bigger ones out there. Okay, the hinges are so sturdy. When I opened it, you could almost see the actual laptop lifting a little bit. So that's pretty cool stuff. There's no flex on the keyboard at all. This is made out of aluminum. The shielding on this is aluminum. A real aluminum, not some plastic crap. This is like some textured rubberized. It feels nice actually. Yeah, I actually quite like it. Pretty nice feeling. Power, Asus button. Oh yeah, it has like 3 hours of battery life. It has better battery life than the previous version because it has the Kepler version of the GPU. The Kepler version has double the CUDA cores. I think it has a higher core clock, and it could almost be comparable to a GTX 675 MX, since I think the only two differences is core clock and memory bandwidth, but that's probably the only difference. It supports nvidia 3D, so if I do want to go that direction, I could. One issue, it's TN panel. That's the only way they could have gone nvidia 3D on it, since most IPS panels doesn't support 120 Hz. So it's a pretty good TN panel. I checked it out. Oh yeah, I heard they also used a better TN panel on this VX than the VW. So that's good news to me. And yeah, also heard they probably switched the switches in here, since I just went to Fry's yesterday to test it out. I just got it today. Keys feel very nice. Trackpad. I think there's, yeah. Wait, is there? I can't tell. Nope, never mind. It's just it's a sheet of glass on top. Pretty nice. I have oily hands right now, so don't even try and compare this to real situation. I don't know. It looks like it's a Looks like it's a piece, something I can take off. Never mind, I'll take a look at it. Maybe it is. Maybe I just can't get my hand onto it. We'll see. And I'm not gonna power it on right now. Since I'm gonna exchange, I'm gonna add in. There's two hard drive bays. I'm gonna add in the 3K, 128GB SSD. So, and I'm gonna take out the other 1TB. I'm gonna sell that. I seriously do not want 520 RPM. Crap. 5200 RPM freaking hard drive. Still has crap. So I'm exchanging that out. So I'm not gonna do a video on showing you how to do it. I'm pretty sure to have a whole bunch of videos on YouTube on that. So, and I'm gonna oh wait, crap! I first have to boot it up to get the restore Windows and burn it onto the CD first. There. So that's my unboxing of the G75. Oh yeah, it runs Battlefield this version, the G75 of the GTX 670 MX. Runs Battlefield 3 Ultra at I think like 30 FPS around that. And oh wait, I heard some people say it could run at 50 FPS, but I don't know. They said it was driver issues at first, that's why. But right now, right out the box, without overclocking anything, I could run it at Battlefield 3 high at probably 60 FPS or something like that. So I could probably even put on anti-aliasing and all that crap to maybe ×4 or some shit. So pretty nice stuff. That's my video unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Feels pretty nice. Premium laptop. So yeah, I'm done.